Hello friends. So by clicking property and then by clicking material manager, you can edit the material property like aluminium. Click edit and then go to density, and by that you can edit the mass density as you want. And then by clicking on load and then click on predefined field manager and then click to edit. By that you can manage the velocity of quadcopter, and then by clicking job and then go to result, and then this is a animation. By clicking there the animation will start, and in initial state your interface like that, and after clicking on this plot contour on deform shape and then click on this animate history, the animation will be start. This is an active frame. If you want to see any frame, then click on their frame selector, and then by clicking there you can see the frame and take a screenshot. If you got any error in visualization, then go to job and then submit there, and after the submit, if the process will complete, and then go result, then you will solve the problem of visualization. Okay.